This is Ansha. Today I am going to tell you about the linked list implementation of stack and queue. And first of all, I am going to tell you about what is linked list. Linked list is an ordered set of data elements, and which will have the knowledge of about the successive element and not the other all elements which are overall present in the linked list. And here I am going to do two functions like stack and queue. And for this I am creating a structure called node, and this node is like something in which we can store the value and the link address. And for that I am declaring the data which we have to store, and in order to store the address I am declaring node and the pointer variable link. And I'm also declaring some of the terms like head, top, temp, where and front. And where and front, we are using these terms basically in the queue. And I'm assigning all these values to null, so those are the initial values. So in order to perform stack, we have to do two operations like push and pop. In order to push, first I'm going to create a new node, and then I'm taking the value, and next I'm going to connect this element to the top, and finally I'm making the top equal to 10. And coming to the pop function, whether we have to check if any element is present. So for that I'm using the condition top equal to null. If this doesn't satisfy, then we can go to the direct top element, and then we can delete the element. For that I'm using delete the temp, and finally displaying the stack. So first I'm checking the condition if it is empty or not. Then if not so, then I'm finally creating a loop here, while loop, in order to display all the elements. So for that I'm using temp is equal to temp arrow link, and finally displaying the data. So in order to perform the queue functions, we have to do three functions: insert, delete, and display. So in order to insert, first I'm going to create a new node, and here we are going to check two conditions like front and rear. So first I'm taking the value, then I'm assigning the value, address value, to null. And if front equal to null, then we can say that rear arrow link is equal to null, so its value will be null. Else we can say its rear arrow link is equal to 10, and rear is equal to 10. And in delete queue, whether we have to check whether any element is present. If any element is present, then temp is automatically equal to front, so we can delete the element. And so I'm giving delete temp, so here it will become front equal to front arrow link. So I'm linking the next below element to it. So in order to display, first we have to check, and the next I'm doing the while loop, and here step is equal to temp arrow link. So I'm outputting the value, so the loop continues till the all elements are displayed. So inside the main function, I'm giving it on the user choice whether he have to perform stack or queue. If you want to perform stack, then he can go to the options like push, pop, and display. And if you want to continue, then he can continue. And if the choice is 2, then he can perform the queue. And queue, we can perform operations like insert, delete, and the function calls according to the option given by the user. And finally we will come out of the loop, and if you want to perform, then we will go to the loop, or else the process will be terminated. Here I am going to show you a sample output of the program. So press stack or queue 1, stack, So pushing the one push, so I'm pushing the value 1, enter. Again I'm going to push the value 2, again I'm going to push the value 1, so 3. So I pushed 3 values, 1 2 3. Now I'm going to pop out 3. So the pop out element is 3. So now I'm going to display. So this is how this track works in the linked list. So do you want to continue? No, because I want to show you the queue farm operation. So to the process terminated. I will show you the output again. So 1 enter push 1 push 2 push 3. So 2 popping out the value 3, and next I'm going to display. It's going to display want to continue. Yes, I want to continue. So again it's asking you want to perform stack or queue. Now I'm going to perform queue. So insert, delete and display. So I want to display first, so there is no element, then its queue is empty. So I want to press 1 as I want to continue. Which one? That is queue. So insert, again I'm inserting 4, insert 5. So 4 5 inserted. Now I want to delete the element, then it will be 4. So first in first out. Next I'm going to display what all the elements in it. So only 5 is displayed, as if I given only the 2 values. So only 5 is displayed. Do you want to continue? No. Yeah, this is the end of the program. And this is how we can implement the linked list implementation of stack and queue. Thank you for watching this video.